Hello everyone, it's Lindsay and today I'm here with another unboxing for you guys. This one is so beautiful. This is the newest devotional kit from Open.Journey. This is Homebound, and Open.Journey is run by Ingrid. It's an Etsy shop. I've shared her kits in the past and these are so unique compared to some of the other items that I share, and just the type of artwork and the type of products that she includes are just amazing. And so I love that seeing that more and more of you are heading over to her shop and picking up her kits. And I love just seeing how her kits are growing and evolving. Each one that she comes out with is just amazing, and how much work and effort and love goes in these kits, guys. I just can't even express how excited I am about this particular one. And even more than that, how amazing Ingrid is. So not only does Ingrid send me these kits to review and to share with you guys and to work through and just kind of give feedback on, but this month she went ahead, she saw that I've been doing lots of giveaways on my channel, and I have been so blessed to work with some amazing companies who have just generously given to these giveaways. And so Ingrid is counted with those as well. She sent an extra copy of the kit for me to give away during this unboxing video. So that is super exciting. So one of you will get to win the entire physical kit for Homebound. And what you need to do for the giveaway, all the information will be linked down in the description box, so you can check that out. It is going to be open up worldwide. I've really been trying to be intentional about doing that so everybody's included. But to enter the giveaway, you need to like this video, subscribe to my channel, follow me over on Instagram at LindseyDecor413. And the reason I do that is because there's a lot of things that I share over on my Instagram that don't always end up on my YouTube channel. Now, I know not everybody has Instagram. That's fine. Just leave a little note. Hey, Lindsay, I don't have Instagram, and I'll give you some grace. Don't worry. But if you've got an Instagram, definitely go follow me over there. I show behind the scenes and little extra tidbits and pictures and all kinds of fun things. So definitely join us over there on Instagram. And then for your comment entry, leave a comment with what is your favorite item from her kits. Beside the devotional, because we all love the devotional content, what is something that you most value in these devotional kits that she does? Is it a stencil? Is it a stamp? Is it the clear stickers? Like, what part of it do you find most valuable in these kits, except the devotional content? We're just going to take that as a given that everybody loves the devotional content. So that'll be your comment to enter down below. Again, all the information will be linked in the description box. Let me just take a look at the calendar and see where we're going to run to. So let's say that the giveaway is going to run until August 19th. It will end that evening, and I will announce the winner here on YouTube. I usually update the description box and comment on your comment on the 20th, and then I'll also post in my Instagram stories tagging you and announcing the winner over there. So there's a couple different ways to find out who won. So I'm going to set that aside. That's the little extra kit. And so let's take a look at Homebound. Now, everything is done by Ingrid herself as far as the artwork. She just creates all the artwork herself. She paints everything, does all the mixed media. She writes all the devotional content. It is just amazing. I know how much time I spend working my craft and sharing what I do with you guys here on YouTube and editing those videos and coming up with those creative ideas, and it's labor intensive. So I can only imagine how much time goes into creating all this artwork and writing the devotional content and putting together the kits. It's just mind-blowing what she does. So here is Homebound, and it's just jam-packed with goodies. And as always, you have a couple different options. You can order the physical kit. If you order the physical kit, you get a discount code that gives you 50% off of the digital kit if you want to order the digital as well. Some people like to have the digital in addition to the physical, so you can print more elements and resize things and that kind of thing if you want to do that. Or if you don't want to do the physical kit at all, you can also just order the digital version. So I will have all that linked down below. Those are affiliate links, just heads up. But let's take a look. You do get a note from Ingrid just kind of sharing kind of her heart around Homebound and a little bit of information about her. I'm telling you guys, it's so neat to see each kit just evolve and grow as her shop grows. Just seeing more detail that she adds to these kits, getting to see more of her. This month we get this kit we get what's inside list. So you get a list of all the things that's included, and in those items, there's even little tips and tricks for ways that you can use them or ideas behind why they were included. So that's awesome that she adds that in there. This was something that she did a few kits ago that I just think is amazing, and I have loved this idea and really works well for these kits. She takes these sheets of vellum and sews them into pockets to hold all of the kit goodies, which is awesome. But I'm going to set that aside for just a second so that we can talk about the devotional content and what the focus is going to be with this kit. Again, devotional is all jam-packed full of awesome, yummy goodies to play with. But it is just beautiful, you guys. Each time she just steps it up, because now it's just printed on really nice, it's almost like a magazine or a booklet. It's just gorgeous. And you guys, all of this artwork Ingrid does herself. I mean, she is just so unbelievably talented. I can paint a stamp, I can splatter some splatters, but this girl is a true artist. She is just amazing. So you've got your devotional booklet, and the way that this is laid out is a little bit different than some of the other devotional kits that I share on my channel. It's kind of just, it is broken up into sections, but it's just one giant devotional. It's not really broken up with too many prompts and things necessarily. There are some prompts and there's some highlighted areas. She says that there's over 40 verse references in this devotional kit. So if you're looking for bang for your buck and want plenty of verses to journal, this has got it, because it's got over 40. But the way that she did this one is you've got the devotional content, and then she's got these cards that are stuck in there, and these are like printed on really nice, smooth cardstock, and they're numbered 1, 2, 3, and 4. I think these are going to be kind of your prompts for the sections of the booklet. So you've got kind of a question, where is your home, and then some verse references, are you on a journey, some verse references. And so you can use this to journal out, take notes, or you can cut this apart and turn it into tabs or tip-ins or booklets. You could tape all these together and make a little mini book, a little prayer journal to go alongside this. So I love that she includes these as just a different option for you guys to get creative with how you use your responses to the devotional content. So she's really big into mixed media, so a lot of her elements and things like that are kind of geared towards that and giving you just kind of freedom to do whatever you want with them. So we are talking about Homebound. She's going to talk about a little bit how this place here on earth is not our home. You know, we may find identity in our house or our hometown or what it is that we call home, but ultimately this is not our permanent home. Heaven will be our permanent home as Christians, and what that means and what that is, and then also what it looks like to live out during this time that we are on earth waiting to go home. She talks about consecrating and committing everything that we do, being intentional in everything that we do for God and the greater work of his kingdom while we're here. And so I just really love how she digs in and she talks about her own journey in that. And you'll kind of see, if you've been working through these devotional kits, kind of a full circle tie-in with all the past kits. We've got desert. She mentions desert journey. I can even see living water being in here a little bit. So illuminated for sure. She's just got where she's pulling all those different devotional kits together to really kind of come in full circle with this devotional content and just talk about this journey that we're on here on earth as we are living out our lives waiting to go home and what that looks like and what we should be doing. So, and throughout the booklet, there's just tons of just the detail, you guys, just knowing what it takes to edit things on the computer and the little bit of experience I have with that, I can see the detail that she's put in here as far as, you know, underlining little things or like there's a spot in here where she's circled. Yeah, she circled the word consecrate. Like that's like the editing that it takes to do all that, you guys, it's not always super simple. So of course it's just beautiful, beautiful artwork, just some really fun imagery in here that's just amazing. So this is one of those notebooks where you can take your notes, do your journaling, but I think this is one that you can kind of hold on to and go back to again and again. I love booklets that are done this way, that are not just, yes, it is about the content itself, but to be pretty and to be enjoyable to where I want to come back and revisit it in the future, I think is really amazing. So you've got your devotional booklet, Homebound, and so then everything else in here is meant to kind of coordinate with that. So again, like you've got your, these are size, I think she said 4 inches by 8 inches, so these are slightly smaller than Traveler's Notebook size, so you could make a Traveler's Notebook insert. This booklet is sized to be Traveler's Notebook insert size, so you can use that in a Traveler's Notebook system. I did want to mention, so one of the images that you'll see throughout here is a lot of postage-like stamps and postal images and things like that. So she sent me a little email just kind of talking about that because she didn't mention it in the devotional itself, but she says that the postage stamps-like designs are a suggestion for a form of payment in beauty, art, and Thanksgiving on our behalf. So like you use a stamp to pay the postal company to mail your letter, offering up our art and the things that we create as payment, not that it will ever be enough payment, but offering it up to God as payment, I guess. And then she says, because the actual price has been paid by Jesus. And then the cancel mark, which is the little wavy lines, there will be images of that, the little wavy lines. I didn't know that that's a cancel mark. It's a mark of accepted payment. Just wanted to let you know the meaning behind the elements because this is not explained in the devotional. So our payment is canceled. It's not enough. God's payment, Jesus's payment for us is the ultimate payment, and that is enough. And so I love how she ties that into even the imagery that she uses. There's just so much attention to detail. So okay, enough gushing over Ingrid and all her beautiful artwork. So we've got, this here has got some words, looks like that you could cut out and use as wordfetti on your tabs. The word Homebound, of course, the title of the kit. You've got Make Room for Prayer, another big title piece here, and then some tabs that I imagine fit the We Are Memory Keepers tab punch. You can punch those out and just plain white on the back side. You've got a 2-inch wide tip in, so you could just do this directly into the margin, take some notes, add a title, and you're good to go. Your artwork's all done. She always has a mix of clear stickers and white stickers. So clear sticker like washi. This is actually a white sticker here. So this is like a faux washi strip. Again, all the artwork, all the lettering, all of that is done by Ingrid herself. She is just so talented. Look how beautiful. The florals in this kit are amazing. You know me and my love of florals, and this speaks all the love to that. So this is a clear sticker, so you can just messily cut out the different images and put them down. I love creating like a really elaborate mixed media, messy background and then layering these over the top and just really gives that feel of Ingrid's style. Again, some faux washi. This is on clear sticker paper, so you can just cut it out. I love the little footprints, like you're on a journey, you're homebound, you're flying home. The imagery is just gorgeous. And then some more washi strips here. So rather than having a whole roll of washi, you get a whole bunch of different little pieces of different patterns of washi. So here's even some more. Look at the florals, like all painted. Gosh, she is so talented, you guys. Some more washi strips. Seriously. And if you get the digital kit, then you have an unlimited supply of these to use again and again. Like how amazing is this right here? That is a washi that you could use over and over. This is nice and wide, but if you got the digital kit, you could scale it down like half size, and that would be about the typical size of a washi roll, and then you could have a roll, like just endless supply of that floral washi. So pretty. So here's where we get some of those stamp images. I love this. Love the look of using the postage stamps and maybe your big title and then some journaling. So pretty. So there's a bunch there. Here's some more postage stamps. You can see there's no shortage of stickers and goodies. You know, some of the other kits that I show, you get like 1 or 2 sheets of stickers. You do get a bigger stamp set. You do get a roll of washi, but I really think that you get a lot more of these type of elements in this kit. And then you can really just expand on your journaling, stick down some stickers, and you're good. It's really easy to put a quick page together. So you've got a sheet of wordfetti, and it's really fun, kind of messy typed font. And it's all going to be words that are pulled from the devotional content. I did look through this because I did notice in the last kit that I had to trim some of these just a little bit, but it looks like these are all cut perfectly, so you can just pull them off and you're ready to go. Let's see, some more clear stickers with just different images that she's come up with that go with the devotional content. Again, just tons of flowers, lots of titles and words pulled from there. So very, very easy to just throw a page together quickly. Love that. Love this big ink splotch. She talks about dirt roads and open skies, just kind of the imagery that she has for this idea of homebound. So you'll see that throughout the kit as well. So really, really pretty pieces there. And then inside here are even more goodies. I love that she puts them in this little pocket so you can kind of keep everything together. And then you saw when you got the devotional kit, all of this is sized to just tuck right into the devotional booklet, and then everything is together and easy to travel with if you want to do that. So we do have a stencil. Let me see here. So just like the illuminated kit, we're getting another stencil, but this time you've got two different shapes of postage stamps and then some birds and some crosses. So this is one that you really can use again and again and again and get a lot of use out of. It isn't just unique to this kit. And so I love that she includes that. I love playing with stencils. That's one of my favorite Bible journaling products. So on this side, we've got tons of die cut pieces. So if the stickers weren't enough and the cut apart pieces weren't enough, you've got 10 tons of die cut pieces, all different sizes, big, small. You've got tabs, you've got flowers, you've got just little bits and pieces of like patterns and papers that you can use for a mixed media look. I am obsessed with this kit. It is so beautiful. Look at all of these. Like, how pretty would this be to do like a blended ink postage and then stick this down in the center and have that on your page, like different ways that you can layer these elements. So lots and lots of die cut pieces. You've got flowers. Again, if you do the digital version, you get all of this that you could then print on whatever medium that you want to print on. Look at this big, beautiful black and white floral. Oh my gosh, you guys, it is just so pretty. Her talent is just mind-blowing. Look at this, all of these beautiful florals, tons and tons and tons and tons of pieces, and they all just tuck right into that little vellum pocket. So I can't even begin to show you all of those pieces because there's just so many. Look, there's even printing on here. How pretty is this? It says, "Blessed are those whose strength is in you, whose hearts are set on pilgrimage," Psalm 84:5, and it's like a little like penciled in map. Oh my gosh, this is just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, so we do get a stamp set again. I'm so excited that she's including these. Stamps are like my favorite. So you've got two birds. Oh my gosh, I missed out on the Illustrated Faith kit that had the bird stamp in it. Old one from their Etsy days. And so I've always been on the hunt for that. And so now I have some birds silhouette that I can use. Here is that wavy line I was talking about that represents canceling. So when you have sent your mail and then to show that that stamp has already been used, they stamp the wavy lines over that, and that's canceling that payment. And so that is what that represents. But you could layer these together like I did with that seal stamp from the last kit, and use this as just a background element. You've got this little amen block. Love, love, love that. So it's like a little 3x4-ish stamp. She also includes the cutout pieces from the stencil. So you could use this to then, as a mask, blend and paint and ink, and then you would have a white area left underneath this that then you could stamp in or add die cuts to. So I love that she even includes those for you to use. She's got this little paper house, and she says, a craft paper folded house shape to decorate using the smaller cardstock elements, fabric, etc. I know we'll make a whole bunch of these combined with the make room for prayer line with a little play on words. So just a fun little element. She shows an example of how she layered up some fabric and some of the die cut pieces and sticker on there. And it looks like from her make room for prayer line. So I'll be sure to find that and link that down below for you guys as well. And then here are some journaling cards for you. They are just plain white on the back, so you can use these as a tip-in, add your title. There is verse references on the bottom of each one of these, and then you could journal kind of a more private prayer if you wanted to do that on the back side. But again, just the imagery is amazing. Her her artwork is just beautiful. So there is a look at everything that comes in the Homebound kit. Again, one of you will be winning the physical kit, so be sure to get in on that giveaway. Again, all that information will be down below for you guys, so you can check that out. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those down below. Again, check out the links down below for all the things that we talked about here today and where you can get the kit. The kit is now available. It's not pre-order. It's out there. It's ready. Some of you are already getting it shipped to you, so definitely check that out down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And until next time, thank you so much. Bye-bye.